Glam Squad presents.
Take care of rebonded hair. 1. Do not wash your hair for 72 hours. This is the most important thing about your hair rebonded. You cannot let your hair get wet, no matter what. It takes about 3 days for your hair to settle into its new structure. 2. Give up hair ties. It is time to give up tucking your hair behind your ear and using hair ties or bobby pins. Hair fasteners can leave your newly restructured hair with creases, so avoid hairstyling that requires you to use ties, pins, or bands. 3. Go to bed with straight hair. This might be a little hard to do, but you need to ensure that your hair is mostly straight when you go to bed for 3 days before washing it. Avoid anything that might cause your hair to lose its shape. 4. Take your time with the conditioning. When the 3 days pass and you can finally wash your hair, ensure you are using a mild shampoo that is specially formulated for chemically treated hair. After washing your hair, slather on some conditioner and wait a few extra minutes so that your hair can soak up some moisture. 5. Avoid heat styling. Your hair has already been styled. Stay away from heat or any thermal treatment as it will only damage your hair further. 6. Do not skip the trim. Hair rebonding means damage, and damage means split ends. You need to visit your stylist every 6 to 8 weeks for trims. This will keep your hair healthy. 7. Cold showers are your best friends. The cold water helps seal your hair shafts, preventing moisture loss and damage. This will not only help keep your hair conditioned, but also improve the health of your hair while preserving its shine. 8. Keep your scalp clean. Ensure that you are giving utmost importance to keeping your scalp clean. An unhealthy scalp with clogged follicles will lead to issues like dandruff and hair fall. 9. Do not wash your hair too often. Your hair needs as much moisture as it can get. To keep your hair healthy, cut down on the number of times you wash it in a week. 10. Don't neglect your diet. Believe it or not, the health of your hair depends more on what you put inside your body than what you put on your hair. You need to maintain a balanced diet to ensure that your hair is growing out healthy from the roots.